Hey guys, I'm through. I love it. So far, so good. Um, this lounge is works well. You can feel like it does not burn you if you put it on the bristles. It has the off and on switch there, and the up and down. Goes up to 450. I put it on 410, and I thought it might be a little bit too hot because my hair is fine but thick. I did use the Chi. I would suggest use any kind of protective spray when you're doing hot iron, whatever you're doing, which I did. This is strictly for dry hair. It is not for, wet hair because you don't get electrocuted or anything. The inside got hair in it, but the insides of it is very, very hot. It heated up almost immediately. It cooled down almost immediately. I still put my hand on the back of it. It's still warm, but not bad. I started in not really sections. You saw how curly it was in part one. I just started taking it and just going through it like this. Just kept it all over. Just kept over and over and over. But it straightened it. My hair is lots of layers. My hair is really good when it's curly because it is a lot of layers, but I'm going to try to get it cut a little bit, so I'm going to try to get all one length. You can tell that my bangs need to be trimmed, but if you're thinking about getting one, like I said, this is not a sponsored video, but I really like it. It was $100 and some. I can't remember what, but I got it on sale. They had a special. I saw it. I went on the line, and it's the Lange, L-A-N-G-E, and it's the hairbrush straightener. Go on and see if it's on sale. Still on sale. But I got it for $69.99. I thought that was a good deal. And the way it did my hair, with my hair as curly as it was. Oh, by the way, did I say this? If not, I'm repeating myself. Be sure to comb your hair out. Not with this. Brush it out. Get the tangles out. Not with this, because this is strictly for straightener. But and then go through it. When I washed my hair last night, I might be repeating myself, I did put a leave-in conditioner. So I slept with the leave-in conditioner. Then I put the Chi, the straightening iron. Now, you can use any kind of product that you like, but this, I am almost out on it. I'm trying to get it where I want it to be, done so I can do it in my empties. I'll get it out in a minute. But anyway, if you're thinking about it, you've got longer hair than me, I think you can even use it. If you've got lengths in yours, if you're short, if you've got any wave in your hair and you want it straight, you're going to like this. I do. And it would shock me if you didn't like it. But for the price, I know for $69, I got it for almost half price. I couldn't resist. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. Until tomorrow. You've got straight hair. How about that?